All right, guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. Thank you to all my viewers and subscribers and all the people who reach out to me and message me. You're all beautiful people. Thank you so much. I get such great feedback, and I have some more feedback that I get a lot. I get people asking me, about my the levels and how I'm able and to ascertain them and what exactly I'm doing. So today we're going to be talking about these white lines here, and you need to populate these lines on your chart so that you can know the levels. These aren't just put on here from all these swing bottoms. These are all derived from the square of 9. And we're going to just move this over here and we're going to talk about this. So all these lines that are representative on here, right? It's no surprise that they are the significant moves up and down. And also to note the halfway point between a square. And what do I mean by that? Well, here's another halfway point. So right here, this 44 is halfway. 44 and 43 is halfway to 46 and 40. So we can have areas where resistance and support can be expected. I get a lot of questions asking me, what do I think it's going to do? And I've already made my 2024 and 2025 forecasts. They're available. Many of the people that have purchased those from me have received them and are utilizing them right now. And we're going to talk about a few things. I'm going to just show you the beginning one month of my forecast, and if you want the rest, it'll need to be purchased. I'll be revealing every month after the end of the month has come to a close, and you can then therefore check back and tear apart my forecast and see how I'm able to forecast 1 and 2 years in advance. All right, so we've moved up to this level right now. This is a 78% Fibonacci level. And we were talking about this in a previous tutorial from our bottom here. And I just wanted to make sure that you guys understood this because, this is a 78% level right here. And that represents a Fibonacci sequence. And we've had a pullback, of course, to there. It looks like it's maybe about a 10% right now. Sorry about that. We've got a little bit too much stuff going on there. All right. So let's just see what this pullback has looked like. All right. So we're back a normal 9 and 10% pullback right now. What would a 44.7% pullback look like? This is going to blow your mind. It's our old bottom on September 11th. Let's go take a look at it. All right, guys, here it is. There you go. See that? There's your 44%. Okay. We have gone up to the 44 level. Notice this bar here in the halfway point here. All right. That's right. It's very critical that we stay above this area. And you see our square of 9 here? It's right here. So if we move this, say, up to, well, let's go up to our 48, right? And let's see where that would take us, right? So let's bring that all the way down to the bottom here. Here's our 48 and 49%. It's exactly this top. Where is this? Look, guys. Look at this. It's sitting on these old bottoms right here. And it's right by our square, right? At 34 here. This is a major level, right? I've hot pinked this because, as you know, 15 and 34, they're vibrating areas where we can expect resistance or overhead support. And right now, we're looking like it is going to be support. We have a lot of volatility coming up here. The first part of January, as you guys know, there's going to be some Bitcoin ETFs. Anyways, we're just going to revisit my forecast a little bit here. Not my major forecast, but just my monthly forecast. And as you guys can see, I've pointed out here, I have all populated all this stuff months and months and months and months ago. Go ahead and go visit my tutorials previously. You will see all these numbers and things populated a year ago. Like, honestly, that's how I do my forecast. So you can see that